What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video, and on this video is going to be a trade recap for you boys. I've been journaling my trades for about a month now, and I'm going to keep doing so just for proof for my future self. But yes, did not live trade today just because I was on the road. You guys can go check that out on my Instagram. I did post the execution on there. But yeah, other than that, boys, make sure you guys like and subscribe. Make sure you guys join the premium Discord and the free Discord as well. I do live trade on there every Friday, so make sure to join that. And yeah, other than that, boys, I'll see you guys on the next one. There we go. Boom. All right, so let's go ahead and hit the replay mode, boys. All right. So we're on replay. Okay, so this was NQ when market had opened at 8:30. When we go to gold, I also had a setup for gold, so I'm gonna show you guys both setups, but I'm gonna mostly show you NQ. But right here, on gold, I was going to take buys here, but the only downside about it is that we were on a 15-minute supply, which ended up getting disrespected later on. But it's still, it was respecting it at the moment. We had a 15-minute supply, and as well as I was like, okay, the breakout candle had a big stop loss. Okay, so this was my zone right here, and as you guys can see, it did break the candle, which, let's say I would have taken this for a 1-to-1. Did it hit? Okay, this is the 1-to-1. Now let's see if we ended up tapping. We ended up losing the trade just because we missed out the one-on-one by a little wick. Alright, so this was the trade that I was tempting to take, but did not take it just because of the 15-minute supply, and as well as we had 15-minute resistance here. Okay. As you guys can see, we obviously went down and we kept dumping for the rest of the day. Now let's go for NQ. Okay, so this is NQ. Now let me back this up. So this was NQ. Once market had opened, I had a demand zone marked up, and the reason why I was going for buys was because we're creating higher highs and higher lows, and as well as we're breaking structure. Okay, when we go to the higher time frames, it's not the best market structure, but we are on selling pressure. But now obviously we started pushing. We had a bullish engulfing candle on the 4-hour, which is a good sign. We go to the 1-hour. Okay, right here we are breaking structure as well. Okay, so decided to go for buys. Didn't think we were gonna go for sales because there was no selling confluence. Like, I didn't have a supply zone. I didn't have any of that, right? And we were also just following the 13 EMA. Okay, so now let's go ahead and backtrack right here. So this was the first demand zone that I had marked up. Obviously I won't take this just because 8:30 came around, and boom, obviously I won't take it because it's market open. But it did create us another demand zone right here, which is very, 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 very big. All right, decided, let's see if it taps in here. Okay, boom, it tapped. I was like, okay, I'm going to join if it breaks the candle. I joined a little bit earlier right here. Stop loss was down there. Let's see, I think this is the breakout candle. There you go. And as you guys can see, as soon as that hit, I hit for a 1-of-5, decided to close profit, and then just let the other one run for a 1-of-2. And I don't think we got that. And then I went break even. My second contract went break even, so I secured some profit. And I think this candle was the one that, yes, this candle decided to stop me out at break even. And then as you guys can see, we hit the 1-of-2, and then we dumped. Okay, but yeah, this is the trade that I took for NQ buys, right? Obviously we were bullish. Didn't think we were gonna go for sales. I didn't see any sales setups that I can potentially take. I went for gold as well. We were going for buys because we were creating breakout structure, and gold, I think gold was going to correct itself today. As you guys can see, we are very bearish on the higher time frames, but on the 5-minute we looked bullish. And obviously I trade on the 5-minute. I literally enter off the 5-minute, so I would take a 5-minute trade. Okay, but other than that, boys, that is pretty much it. Make sure to join the Discord and the premium. I'm going to live trade on there. I live trade on there, and as well as on Fridays I will start going free live trading for you boys, so make sure to join that. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.
Se meten los de las capuchas, andan bien truchas, lo que en el radio se escucha.